Hello, and welcome to Lookie Loo Crafts. No intro sound today, guys, because I just got too much going on. So I thought I'd turn on the camera, see if anybody wanted to spend some time with me. So I started out with just a few little scraps from Danielle D's Hotel. Sent me lovely scraps, and I thought those would make lovely bookmarks, right? So I got those out, and I started that project. And then I decided, well, I may need some gems or something, and I wanted to use ones that I got from California Karen. So I got that box out and decided that box needed to be organized. So I got that project going. And then I decided I needed to separate all my rickrack and my ribbons and put them in a bag. And after that, I decided, well, I have this little container dish that has these compartments in it, and I should put whatever I'm going to work with in these compartments and then just pick from that for my decoration parts. So I got that going. Yeah, it's one of those mornings, guys. I can't figure out what I'm doing. And I'm getting deeper and deeper into the mess as I go. But I did want to get my chips and Rick Rack out of my D-stash from California Karen. And there's just a bunch of lovely stuff in there. Excuse me. So somewhere in here is a baggie that I was going to put my gems in. Okay, so I'm just going to get another one. Because I think I put my trim in the other baggie. Let's hope I can find it. So trying to get a little bit organized. So my landlord stopped in to get the rent, and he never comes in, guys. And I'm glad he don't. But he did. He stepped inside the door this time. I was like, oh no. And he didn't say nothing, but he had some raised eyebrows when he saw my couch. Because I just keep things in boxes on my couch where it's easy for me to reach. Well, in all fairness, it has got out of control. Yeah. Okay, this ain't gonna fit in my gallon-sized baggie, so I gotta get another baggie. So I somehow decided, well, yes, I've been needing to clean it out and organize my stuff a little better. And so in the midst of making my paper bookmarks, I started cleaning off my couch. I'm having one of them days where my brain just won't stay focused on one thing. And I've gotten myself into quite a mess here. Quite a mess. So I thought, well, I'm just going to take a break and talk to you guys for a while. And maybe do some organizing. I know you can't see me, but I'm over here organizing my gems. I'm trying to get them in a baggie. Open baggie, open. Okay. Okay, if I could just get them in, we can worry about the placements and making it look pretty later. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to save this baggie, my gallon-size baggie, for something else. Okay. Look at the beautiful gems. I think they will look very nice on my bookmarks. If I can get them all rounded up. Just gems. Nothing else, just gems. No, no, that's not a gem, Candace. That's not gems. Okay. I pick up something. Oh, I need that. I need that. Nope, that's not a gem. You don't need it. Oh, here's my doilies. I knew I had doilies. I got some white ones too. Not gems, Candace. They're not gems. Put them back. Y'all help keep me focused. Okay, these ain't gems, but they are rickracks and trims. And I have another bag going. Where's my other bag? Other bag? Other bag. Okay, no other bag. Oh, here it is. Here's the other bag. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut me off like a long strip and put a bunch in my little container over there and hope that'll give me plenty of little stuff to work with and keep my little stuff all in one place. Okay, so this is trim. It goes in there. Well, rickrack is trim too, right? I know I was going to use some of that. Put it in the bag, Candace. Put it in the bag. Stop. Okay, in the bag, in the bag. It's in the bag. Y'all help me, help me. Okay. Whew, my goodness. So I had some simple little maybe trim and stick ideas going. That's all. Just trim it and stick it. And I got myself in a big mess. So this ain't even a crafty video. It's a big mess video. Oh, there's my pineapples. I should probably put all my pineapples in one spot because I do want to make a pineapple journal. So this is pretty trim. Stick it in there. Maybe I should have used the big bag. Well, I thought it was using the big bag. Okay. More gems. I'm sure I could use some of those. I don't know where that goes. I got more gems, y'all. Only gems. Stay focused, Candace. Focus, focus. Okay. Oops. So I went right down into the bag and got ribbon. Yeah, I'm going to have to use a bigger bag. Oh, dang it. Okay. Pineapple. Stickers. Pineapple. I'm going to make me a pineapple book. So I guess I'm going to leave those there. Here's some of these. I dumped this box off the couch the other day, accidentally, and so it just made a huge big mess of my box. Okay, so what I have to do is get me a big bag, okay? Because, nope, that's a little bag. Put it back, put it back. That's a little bag. Put it back, put it back. Get the big bag. Stay on task. Figure out what you're doing to do it. I don't know. Do y'all have trouble? Do you have days like this? Oh my goodness. I don't think I have enough giant bags. I do still have my $10 gift card that I won, so I could go get me some bags. See, that's a little piece that could go. Stay focused, stay focused. There's a whole bunch of good stuff in there. Okay, gems. Stay focused to the gems. There's more ribbons. Ooh, butterflies. Oh, stay focused. Red crack. Okay. I think I have. I think I got all the rickrack. Alright. But it's not fitting in this bag, so I'm going to dump it into this bag. Okay. There. Okay, so I got that one. Put the bag back. Put the bag back. Whew. I just want to make a simple project of some not paper clips, bookmarks. I do want to make some paper clips too. If y'all watch Guy Kerr, she does lovely crafts, and she had a paperclip video that I watched, and I thought, yeah, I want to make those paper clips. And now I can't find the video. So, there's that. Okay. Where's my little box? Okay, here's my little box. So I can fill it up with some like little flower trims. Those could go in there. That goes in there. Okay. That's a different kind of flower trim. Here's some more. Some more of that. Okay, here's some little butterflies. I could use those. Those need to go in here. Okay, go in there. There's some flower trim. Here's a little butterfly. He could go over there. Here's some gold sparkly trim. Okay, it's more like a ribbon trim. We'll put in there. Okay. I guess I have to put this someplace else. I gotta have some lace. I ain't got no balls. Okay, well, I'll have to go in there. Okay. Okay. See, that's cute. She got some ready-made flowers in here. I'm going to use some of those. I think. I think these are too big. Oh, those are pretty something. Oh, isn't that pretty? broke the bow on that. I'll have to fix it. Okay, here's one of those little butterflies. I know I got plenty of those. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Okay, I'm collecting my stuff. No, I don't want that. There's another one of those. It's a pretty butterfly. Well, I don't want it for there, but I want it for someplace else. I'll get that one and that one. There's one other butterfly. Oh, no. Get over here. Now this tray would be really good, I think, if it was bigger. A sunflower is determined to get in there, but I'm not ready for you, sunflower. Okay, I think I got them all. Oh, that's real pretty. Okay, well, I'll make some pockets for those. I'll put my felt butterfly back because he's got a buddy in there, so I will want to put them together. Okay, I think I got all those. And okay, so now I could get little pieces of trim and snip them off and have them in there. There we go. So this is all my loose trim. And I don't know, y'all tell me if y'all make these kind of trays. Because I think it's a good idea. I've seen someone else do it. It's not my idea. And I can't remember who she was. I think it's oh heck. Scrapbooking with me. I think that's her name. Okay. Do I have some of this? No. So I need some of this. Or I could just put it in the middle. So I need some of that. Use it, but no, don't put it in the bag because you ain't got everything out of the bag. Okay. Okay, that's real pretty. I'll put that in there. This is real pretty. I'm going to put that in there. Don't want that. This is a cute piece. I'll just put him in there. Okay, these are fat. So I didn't want any fat ones. Oh, I got a skinny black one. Well, you never know, do you? You never know. There we go. So fixing up my tray. That's got to be a good idea. This don't belong there. You don't belong there. I will use you some other time. Okay. You don't belong here. Huh. And, okay. You go in there. You go in here. Okay. I'm gaining. I'm gaining. Got some of that. I don't know. I might want to make a fall ribbon. I'll get some of that. Okay, you go back in there. I'm just going to keep this whole piece. I don't need you. I got some pink. I want a long piece of pink. Pink seems to be used a lot, so let's go with the pink. There's some pink rink rack. Here's some brighter pink rink rack. So do I have an end? Well, the end is not revealing itself. Alright, well, I'm just going to cut a piece. There, I got that. Okay. There's some purple. That's loose. And it's the tail end of the thingy, so that's good. Okay. I think I got plenty of white. I got some blue and yellow. Oh, I got some of this trim. This trim might be real nice. So, as y'all can tell, this is a keep me company video. Nothing to look at, really. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Okay, I want some of this. So I just have a little bit of everything. A little bit of a lot. Maybe I'm doing too much of a little bit. I don't know. The lady I watched, she didn't have a whole bunch. She just had a little. So I might be overdoing it. Oh. Huh. Get back in the bag. Get back in the bag. Everybody goes back in the bag. Okay. You go in there. Give me some blue. Do I have blue? I don't think I have any blue. Not that I'm going to use it all. But you never know when you need a splash of color. Alrighty. Okay, here are my gems. Here's some gems. I'm just going to leave them in the bag to the side. These go back in there. Okay, y'all notice I don't have any words of sentiments or anything like that. And I have a mess. Right here. Big mess. So I have to organize my mess. Okay. So how can I get my trims to be ruly? Okay. I put them in a hole where they fit, right? So they put over there. That has to go over there. That goes back in there. See? See? These two things. They wanted to get out of the bag and they got out. Okay. Now, have I got too many things? Should I just leave it all messy? I don't know. I'm going to messy it up when I use it. And I do want to get some more flower trim because I have more flower trim. I have some leaf trim. Okay, I think I'm just going to roll it a little bit. So I can see what I got. Okay, here we go. Is this boring for you guys? Y'all let me know if you like this kind of video or you don't like this kind of video. It just helps me to have somebody to talk to. Believe it or not, I think it helps keep me focused. Makes me not give up. And shove it all back in the box and put it back on the couch. So, there we go. Love that little trim. So, you never know what kind of little bit of color you might need. And that's my problem. It makes me indecisive. Okay, so this is just a little bit. I'll put it over there. I really like that red trim. I should probably send some to Melissa Sue. She loves red. Okay, wrapping. Okay, it's starting to look a little better, don't you think so? A little more, like, okay, this is something I could work with, maybe? And then I could just put all my excess elsewhere. And, you know, go hunt for it when I need that. I don't know that I'm any good at making bookmarks. But, I want to keep it simple. I don't want to keep it too elaborate. But it needs some kind of decoration up at the top so that the bookmark don't disappear down in the book. That's what I'm thinking. And that's what I would use these little pieces for. Isn't that pretty? That's real pretty. I should save that for my daddy journal. Because that's a nice olive green. It's kind of manly. But I don't know. I might need it in here. So I'm going to put it in there. Okay. I thought this orange piece might be the last one, but no, I still got a black piece. Little orange for fall. I don't know. Can orange be for summer? Y'all let me know. Can orange be for summer too? Okay, that's my little black bees right there. Okay, how's that look, guys? I got a hello there. I thought I might use that. How's that look? Okay, I gotta add some more trims. So, my original trims are over here. Okay. Oh look, I got them in a baggie! Yay me! Yeah, I got them in baggies. Okay, I got some of it in baggies. I see what I got. Okay, I got the pink. I got some of the dollar store blingy. I got yellow daisies. I have purple. And I have some of this pearly stuff. Pearly stuff. Okay. I'll put that one there. And some daisies. Okay, it's trimmed, but I can put my daisies over here in the flowers because they are flowers too. Right? Yes, agree with me, guys. Agree. Uh-oh. Oh, here it is. My pen. Okay, get in there. I'm trying to put the pen in. The pen don't want to go in. Well, it wants to bend. Okay, well, it's in there. Ooh, I gotta open my door, y'all. Okay. I got a little bit longer roll of this because I want to cut some individual or leave some in like threes and, maybe have a little roll. So, yeah. I wish I had some yellow with this, but I don't have it. Okay. There we go. There's some pink. And I got some of this Dollar Tree bling. Everybody was crazy for it. But now you don't see it too much. I still like it. Okay, get in there. Get in there. Okay. I got some trim. I think I got plenty. I probably had some more flower trims and gems and frick-rack, but I think I got enough. Nope, I need my leaves, and I wanted to use some of this. Excuse me, so sorry. So I put some leaves in there. Where are you? Open up. There we go. Okay, I got some leaves. Oh, I gotta open my door. It's just like I got hot all of a sudden. Too cold is bad and too hot is bad. It was cold, so I had the heat on, so maybe it's warming up outside a little. All right. Okay, I got that. I got a smaller leaf. I got all kind of burlap. I got gold leaves, silver leaves, stars. I got... Oh man, I can't have just a little bit of everything. No, Candace, get a grip. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Okay, putting the flowers over here with the flowers. And the leaves can share with the butterflies. There. And the gems can share with these butterflies. There. Okay, now this is my box, guys. I got some of this leafy gold mesh, and I have another mesh I have to get up and get. I'm going to get that. And just so I have some, I don't have anything like cheesecloth. I wish I had some cheesecloth, but I don't have none of that. So I'm going to use this kind of mesh in the place of a cheesecloth to have something to, to back with. That's the plan. Okay, so I've probably been on here a good long while. And so I'm going to close this video and open another one. So this is I don't know, a get ready with me. And I guess the next one will be let's make some bookmarks. Well, I hope y'all had plenty of dishes to do, or a long ride to work, or whatever it is you do while listening to YouTube. Oh, I found my purple thing. Yeah, it's been lost. So, yay, love that. Okay, thanks for coming and spending time with me, guys. If you got any advice for, getting your project stuff together and in one place, let me know. I, I could use it, really, really, really and truly. Leave a comment down below. I won't be offended at all. Okay. Please like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a lovely comment. Do as the Lord will have you to do, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye now.